Hey everyone, it's Sadie, and my screencast will be on 6 EdTech tools to try in 2018 that I found off of Pinterest. And the first one is called Flipgrid. And basically someone can pose a question or a prompt, and students are able to respond in short videos. They can leave responses on each other's videos, and they can talk about anything from the topics that you're going over to books, to movies and events, or more. Basically, there's all these types of resources that you can add. You can have features for responses, or you can collect feedback, depending on what you're learning. The second one is called Insert Learning, and this tool allows you to make any web page into a lesson plan. So teachers can create questions, make notes, or embed extra links for students to refer to that pertains to the content that they are learning. Students can write directly into the assignment, and teachers are able to grade them right on the page. Teachers can assign each class a code or use Google Classroom, and you're able to share lessons with other teachers as well. The next app, is called Book Creator. And this app allows students to create, publish, and share their own online books. The books could be a presentation of a topic, showing off some artwork, or keeping an online photo gallery for themselves or others to enjoy. Students can choose from different backgrounds, fonts, themes, stickers, pictures, and even add hyperlinks to other sources as well. Or it could be just a great tool for teachers to create mini books or lessons to be used and shared in class. The next one is called Museum. And this tool is an online collection of primary sources, news artifacts, and more. Teachers can use this to teach about anything in the news from history, whether it be recently or back in like 1955. The search for content is easy, and there are even handouts that you're able to download, print, or make copies of that are all aligned to like the Common Core standards. The next one is called AutoDraw, and this app is great for your students who like to doodle, or you want to make a quick note, poster, or anything like that, all by using artificial intelligence. And basically it just guesses what you're drawing. Let's use this one. Guesses what you're drawing and gives you the best option for it at the top. I'm going to just like this. The more details that you add to your drawing, the better the match will be. This is also great for students who want to create lessons or presentations, or if you have students who finish early with their assignments, they can play around for a few minutes while they wait. The last one is called Sway. And it's basically a modernized or updated version of programs like PowerPoint or Prezi. You can use an already made document or a topic, or start from a completely blank slate. You can add photos, videos, or links to other content as well. There are no copyright laws to worry about, and teachers can use it to teach lessons, or students can use it to create presentations for school. I found this article really interesting because I've never used any of these, and I feel like it's a great way to keep your kids really engaged in their work, keep you learning new ways to use technology to use with your students. So I hope that you guys found this video enjoyable, and that maybe the next time you are with your kids, you can actually use some of these tools. Thanks for watching.